Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, going to learn how to set a goal on Cash App. But before we jump in, if you don't have a Cash App account yet, check out my referral link in the description to sign up and start sending money instantly. And if you're looking for another great way to send and receive money with no hidden fees, check out Chime as well. You can use my Chime referral link in the description to sign up and start using it today. To start, open the website cash.app/login, then log in with your mobile number. On the field provided, enter the one-time code sent to your phone. Once entered, click on Continue. To proceed, enter the cash PIN on the field provided. Then click on Continue. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option that says Savings. On this page, scroll down a little. Here you will see a section for your goal. Under Goal, you will see an option that says Set Goal. Click on Set Goal. A pop-up tab will then appear. To proceed, click on Continue. Next, you will be asked how much you want to save. On the field provided, enter the amount you wish you save. Then click on Continue. After that, you will be asked to choose an emoji for your savings, but it is only optional. Click on the emoji you wish to use. Then click on Set Emoji. That's how you set a goal on Cash App. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.